Okay, so this is Salim again. I'm going to install Docker on this virtual machine. Now that my Docker is installed, I'm going to start Docker. Yeah, I'm going to enable Docker. Docker is running. I'm now going to create a folder. Okay, so I've created an HTML file. And I've also created a Docker file. I am currently building a Docker image. When it's done, I'll check the image. Okay, so the below confirms that I have Docker images. I'm now going to run the container. I'm now going to confirm the container is running. So my container is running. I'm going to run the web page in my browser. Okay.